Now for me, I actually have a green Christmas tree. It's not flocked, so I am gonna use the green attachment, and it just looks like we take this tube, stick it in here, put that into the bottom of this. Okay, there we go. So now that can actually stay up, and we just have to remove the plastic out of the remote, and now we should be able to turn this. Okay, so now we can turn this off, turn it on. We got all the different custom settings, and then it looks like we have times on here 2, 4, 6, and 8, and we can actually change the speed and the dimness. So that's gonna be really nice to be able to have all these features. So let's go ahead and put this on the tree and see what it looks like. All right, guys, so I have this on my tree now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. This actually looks really good. Now, I did actually have to shove a couple of the branches in here to actually hold this because this is a very skinny, small tree. I think the tree has to have a little bit more girth, although I was able to shove those branches in there and make it look good. So I still am overall really happy with that. Just know if you get a smaller tree, you're probably gonna need a little bit more just to stuff in there. If that's the case, you should be fine. Let's talk about the star itself. Now, this looks incredible. It's actually pretty big. I love how that we have 8 different settings we can choose from to make this really personalized and cool. I like the flashing one. That looks pretty awesome. That's definitely gonna draw some attention and really make your tree look like it comes alive. Now, I don't really have mine decorated quite yet. I think the star pretty much completes any tree. You don't even have to decorate it because a star is a staple to the tree. If you have a Christmas tree, I definitely recommend that you get this star. It's really cool how you can change everything, and the cable that runs around the back is really sleek. It's clear, so it's not gonna be like in the way. You're not gonna see it. And the cable's pretty long too, so it'll work with a tall tree as well. This tree is 6 foot, and the cable is like over there on that side of the wall, and it's perfectly fine. Overall, I think this looks amazing. Add this to your Amazon cart, and that is gonna be my final thoughts and review of this LED Christmas tree star.